Hello, guys, welcome to my channel. I am Hikari from SINOMADA Heavy Industry Company. Today, we come to 2021 Changsha International Construction Equipment Exhibition. We can see many construction machine here. Today, I will give a brief introduction of MESDA Wheel Loader MW618. It has three advantages. First, safe and comfortable driving. Second, stronger structure. Third, convenient maintenance. And the machine weight is 3.55 ton, rated weight is 1.6 ton. Look at the loader, it is equipped with 0.65 cubic meters. And the discharge height of the machine is 3.2 meters.
Let's take a look at this engine. The engine power is 66 kilowatts. And that's all. If you need any machine, please contact me. Let's have a look at more detail.